Jealousy, turning saints into brothers, this is it. We have arrived at the island of the Holy Ones, of the eternal paradise of the Holy Ones. No dogs allowed.
This is the island of eternal paradise of the Holy Ones.
No dogs allowed.
But it's tiny. There's nothing here. Absolutely nothing. There's no scenery, there's no food, and there's nothing to drink apart from that loaf of bread and that holy bottle of wine that has a massive sign on it saying,
"Do not consume except for on Sundays."
And what day is it today?
Monday.
Damn!
I swear by the beard of my grandmother's cat that I will prematurely consume that holy bread. You Pelesian scum tissue! You pulverized lobster snot! You wouldn't!
You know, I kind of agree with Brother Ezekiel on this. I think I might just go and prematurely drink the holy wine.
You wouldn't! No! No, Jude! Put that! That's it! That's it! I cannot fulfill my duties as a Celtic saint without getting both killed in the most unnecessarily horrible way possible! I am getting you vaporized! God!
Nice. Like a bit of random vaporizing. Guido? Do you have anything to confess?
No.
Yes!
I have been harboring Satan in my left pocket, disguised as naught but a lowly cobbler from Frisia.
Hello, it is I, Eric Nibs, the chief liturgist of hell, and I tempt you with my translation of on the liturgy. Away, foul creature, back to the wrong Cambridge from whence you came.
Thank you.
Very good.
That was fun. Oh, this island is sort of weird. It just sort of ends and then no more land. No more sea. Just nothing. Literally nothing. Literally barely anyone. I wonder what happens if I step into the nothingness.
Go no further, oh my precious little bug. That over there is the end of the world, where the sea ends and the cold and empty regions of the creation begin, where the sun sinks beyond the sea, where the realms of man and beast turns.
But God?
Yes, my dear Uncle Bunfus.
What is that building I see over there beyond the end of the world? I see a beautiful red castle, gardens, towers. Can there really be such a beautiful building so far from human habitation? What is it?
I have decreed, shall it be, that man should find necessary. Secondly, it shall always feel whether a will than it might actually be in reality. That is the extent of my power. And thirdly, no man should ever set foot within its sacred vicinity, not until Christ has been crucified 1,943 years.
You really are very powerful, O God.
Yes! If I didn't know! That is sort of the message the authors of this sketch were trying to convey throughout this whole story. This whole voyage was just a vanity project of mine. I wanted to show you some of the wonders I've been working on in the seas. It helped with the self-confidence, you know?
So God, if you are so omnipotent and omnipresent, would you mind just sort of whisking you back to my monastery so I wouldn't have to rest?
Watch it, little man! I'll make lobster meat out of you yet! And that concludes Navigatio Sancti Bunfi. Thank you. Please applaud your creator. Thank you. that you hated that sketch a bit less than I did. Now,